director, be part of director level. I was dreaming of that. I started in 2018. It was a tough time. I was also in college, and you know, everybody who are in college, your teachers will tell you a lot of things. Your parents will tell you a lot of things. I have faced that, and being part of all the struggles, being part of all the problems, I could manage to reach the level I am today. But this has all happened because of my dear uplines who have never left me behind, who have always been helping me, be it directly or indirectly. They are always helping me. Their names are enough for me to work in this business. Are you all having uplines?
Yes.
Are you all having uplines?
Yes.
And you know, it's because of your upline you're here today. And such a nice thing to learn from you people, especially coming from Meghalaya, from Shillong. It's been a long journey, right? It's a very long journey, right? Coming from Shillong. It's not easy, but it's going to be amazing. So, journey is tough, but the results will be amazing. Do you believe in that?
Yes.
Do you believe in that?
Yes.
We still have a lot of friends who are back there at home, right? A few days, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month before the event, when you tell them, would you like to attend this event? Everybody says, yes, 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 we are going to come. Hum aayenge, 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 in one. But then at the end of the day, as you know, that many who starts with you will not end with you. Right? Many are called, even in the Bible there's a verse. Many are called, but few are chosen. Right? So do you believe, guys, that you are the chosen ones?
Yes.
Do you believe that you are the chosen ones?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, show me your energy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you for delivering this vibration. I just want to tell you one story. Would you like to listen to that story?
Yes.
Please learn something from this story, okay? Once upon a time, there was a king, and the people of that kingdom, the people of that place, they often go and see and meet this king. And this king has a habit of sharing the same thing, complaining the same thing again and again. Okay? Complaining the same thing again and again. Complaining the same thing more than once, more than 3 times. So what happens? He's fed up and he decided to call his people in front like this and to tell them a story. So he told them a joke. That joke was too good. Okay, that joke was too good, and all his people were laughing. Everybody laughed. They enjoyed the joke. The next day, he called them again. He told them the same jokes. And what happens? Those people who were clapping, who were laughing, they were decreasing. Okay? And on the third day, again he called them and he shared them the same story, the same jokes. On the third time, no one laughed. You must have come across some people in your team or around you who are complaining over the same thing again and again. And what's the common problem, common disease in network marketing? What is the common disease in network marketing? I would say, as per my experience, the most common disease or common problems we face in network marketing is ज्वाइन तो करेंगे लेकिन काम नहीं करेंगे, ज्वाइन तो किया लेकिन काम नहीं किया, बुलाओगे लेकिन आएंगे नहीं, सब लोग कहेंगे कि आएंगे 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 लेकिन लॉ ऑफ एवरेज वर्क्स. राइट और रॉन्ग? एक और कहानी सुनाना चाहता हूँ. There's one person in the college who is very very lazy. बहुत लेजी है, बहुत लेजी है. So क्या हुआ? His principal decided to call him for a program to be standing over the stage and speak to the people. And that guy could not resist. He has to go on stage and speak. He has to go on stage to speak. क्या हुआ? When he reached the stage, it was a joke. It's a joke, okay? Get ready to laugh. What happened? He was standing on the podium and asking the people, I mean the audience, "Hello guys, good morning. Good morning." Everybody was responding, "Good morning." I'm very happy to be here because the principal has invited me to speak. But can I ask you a question? Everybody says, "Yes." His question was, this is my first time on a stage. So I would like to ask you, do you know what am I going to speak about? And everybody says, "No." He says, "Since you don't know, I don't know too." Okay? So it appears to be the same hall. दोनों तरफ से, एक राइट की तरफ से और लेफ्ट की तरफ से. So क्या हुआ? The principal could not give up on this guy. Again, he repeatedly called him for the next program. The guy was again standing on front. Thank you guys for welcoming me to this wonderful stage, and I hope this is my second time. So I would like to ask a question. फिर से दोबारा ये सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. Do you know what I'm going to speak about right now? These people say no. These people say yes. He says, the people who have already known, please tell them. Okay. So what happened? What do we learn from here? In anything you do, don't think that you can do anything without preparations. जैसे सर गौतम ने कहा ना, सफलता उनको मिलती है जिनकी तैयारी अच्छी है. Everybody wants success, right? Everybody wants success. Everybody. But only few prepare to accept it. And it's a huge tribute to tell you that I really respect all of you guys for coming all of the way from Shillong to prove that you really want success. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. I was teaching college, many of you, right? Right? And that timing is a very difficult timing. क्योंकि your class demands you, your college demands you to attend classes, demands you to be serious in college, and at the same time आपका वो जो सपना है ना, वो भी डिमांड करती है कि आप वेस्टिज में ध्यान दो, वेस्टिज में मेहनत करो. It's very difficult timing, right? That's why people say कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. You think like, if I want to focus on vestige, I have to give up my college. If I want to focus on college, I have to give up my vestige. ऐसा नहीं होता है. That's why we people in vestige and in network marketing, we come to know and we come to learn that कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to lose something to get something. You just have to do something. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना नहीं, कुछ करना पड़ता है. तो मैं उम्मीद हूँ कि आप लोगों ने कुछ करने के लिए आए हो, right? Right? You are ready to do something to bring a change in your life, right? I met one girl in my college. Okay? I met one girl in my college. We are in the same class. And when I started Vestige, we don't have a proper office at a time. We don't have a proper place. At the time, Meda building, Motran was not formed yet. The office was in Umsasun. So how do we do meetings? We wake up every day at 8. We go to office at 8 a.m. even before the office is opened. We use all the stairs, all the stairs, corridors to do meetings. People were laughing at us. And the locality in Umsasun were laughing at us. And also, they often crack jokes on us. They're making fun of us. But then, during that time, we could not understand all those things. Because everything seems to be so interesting for us. Doing meeting is like part of, it's like a hobby. It's like playing football. It's like watching a movie. It's like doing something that you love. Okay? So sometimes, since we don't have proper place to conduct meetings, I will tell you that we use classroom to do meetings. We use classrooms. I don't go to college for attending classes. I go after the class, just to use the room. So when we used to do meeting there was one of the lady. I won't tell you the name because it's not nice to tell the name. There's a lady, my own classmate, used to come in front of my desk and tell us, why are you guys believing in him? Why do you believe him? I mean, I was talking to my teammates, to my team, and she was coming there. Isko biswas nahi karna hai. Don't believe in all these kind of things. These are all trying to make you fool, this and that, right? But you know, the world is round. The earth is round. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? The earth is round, and you never know what will happen tomorrow. Even though you know what you want to do tomorrow, but you will never know what will happen tomorrow. So what happens tomorrow? Wahi ladki, in the next 2 months, she is getting her first car in Vestige. And her name is Ida Bhira Kharmuti. Give big round of applause for Ida Bhira Kharmuti. You see the story turns, right? She used to make fun of me, but now she is the first lady from my team to get a car from Vestige. Isn't it a big deal?
Yes.
Isn't it a big deal?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Now as you see in the poster, we have with us in the poster Nuai de Burma. And for sure, everybody who knows Sir Nuai de Burma, I think he is your favorite one, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes.
I take him personally as my mentor too. Why did I take him as my mentor? Because unless I met this guy, I didn't see my full potential in Vestige. I didn't see that. I started Vestige in 2018. I met Sir Abel in November 2018. He came for a VIP session, but Sir Nuai rarely came to Shillong. And he came to Shillong after Your Right to Be Rich, during the Your Right to Be Rich. And sadly, I wasn't able to attend the Your Right to Be Rich. So I went to Shillong after the Your Right to Be Rich. When I went there, Sir Nuai was there in Shillong, and he came to Cathedral to do meetings, to meet all of us. And it so happened, I didn't feel shy and I didn't feel so arrogant. I went there just to see Sir Nuai. And then when he gave us a permission, when he gave us a chance, opportunity to ask him questions, that month I was a 14 percenter, but I can become silver director too if I make a little more effort. So as per my understanding, if I let somebody become director in my team, my check will be dropped. That's what my self-centered minded says, right? But what happened? I didn't know the life after the wall. I just look at it just up to the wall. I didn't realize what's going to happen after the wall. So when I met Sir Nuai, I was asking him a simple questions, which I have been repeating it then and then. The question was, Sir, LOB kaise nikalna hai? And he just says, come here. So I was sitting in front of him, and he gave me a calculation, and he gave me some words of his, which is not about money at all. He gave me something about my leadership, something about my personality, something about my dealing with my team, dealing with my business. And it so happened, his words of blessing is enough for me that on that month, my check from 2,607 gone up to 25,463. So what I realized, that I need to tell you, yeah, Vestige is really great. Vestige is a great company, right? It's great for everyone. जितने